Howdy everybody in YouTube land. What we have in front of us is a box. Now, I typically don't do these videos, so I figured I would take a little bit of an intermission and do an unboxing video. Now, this was given to me by a very generous person. This wasn't a donation to the channel or anything like that. I don't really get those except once every once in a while, which I still appreciate. But it's not like, Adrian or something like that. It just doesn't happen. But even if it did, I don't have the room. Anyway, so I already opened this particular box, so it's not an unboxing in that sense, but there's something inside that I think is really cool. So let's take a look. So let's open the box. I already ripped the labels off for, doxing protection. So let's see what we have inside, shall we? We have a letter. Here we have a letter. Alright. Let's see. Thanks for your help with the SC30 guide. Enclosed is the Ethernet adapter along with some sticker and screws I made. The screws are direct replacements for the exterior screws used on compact Macs. Oh wow, that's cool. Signed, Arion, or Arion, I don't know how you say that. Sorry if I mispronounced it. Alright, so we have a label or a letter there, so let's see. Oh, that's cool. So we have... What in the world are these? What would you use these for? That's cool, though. I have no idea. Oh, I see what he did. Imitation. Funny. Let's see. And then there's the prize right here. Asante. Oh, let's see. Let's set that to the side right now. Oh, yeah. There they are. Wow, that's cool. That's neat. I didn't know you could do such a thing. Make sure there's nothing else in there. There isn't. So let's set that off to the side. We'll throw all of that crap in there to get out of my way. So let's take a peek at these real quick. So he sent me a bunch of baggies of screws. But that is neat. So he custom fabricated and engineered these replacement screws. That's cool. Wow. So he made replica screws for the compact Macintosh. Now, these screws I've seen in a bunch of other machines. Not the black ones, but the silver ones. So I could probably use those elsewhere. That's cool. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9. I have 9 of them. Not an even 10? Nope, just 9. But hey, that's cool. So I don't have a project page for him, or an Etsy or anything like that. So if I get that information, I'll put it in the description below so you can purchase these in case you're missing them. And actually, I am on a few of them. But the real prize is this right here, the Asantetalk Ethernet to localtalk bridge. But the cool part about it is, and why I made this video, it's still boxed in its original packaging. So he got like 10 or 20 of these things that his neighbor threw out in the trash to the curb, and he grabbed them. And he sent me one, so set those off to the side. But yeah, I think this is cool because I have a plan for this, actually, and I'll get into that later. But for now, that's so cool. See, important. The Asantetalk comes with a serial localtalk cable. See, for connecting localtalk printers and Mac computers. Now, we're not going to use the printer side of it, but it shouldn't matter. 2004. That's a lot newer than I thought. Let's see, FriendlyNet. FriendlyNet is our term for easy to install. You can read that. Asantetalk gives you tin-based tea lifetime warranty. Oh wow, that means if there's something wrong with that, I can contact them, right? I don't think so. Standard supported local talk. Novell, NetWare, Apple Share, etc., etc. Yeah, this is going to do what I want it to do. Headquarters, San Jose, California. 1998. Been a while. Alright. So, let's get to opening this, shall we? So, let's see. Where can I cut the seal of this box? There we go. We'll start on this end. Fresh seal. And it's about to go bye-bye. That's it. Gone. No more seal. Whoops. I don't have a tripod, so. And that's it. It is now unsealed, so it's time to unbox it. Let's just start on the same end. Now, this box feels kind of weird. Bumpy. Now I need both hands, I think. There we go. Oh yeah, supports iMac. That's kind of interesting because you can't plug a local talk in an iMac, but maybe it's the Ethernet protocol that it does. Nice little white box. Let's open it up and see what's inside. Alright, so first thing we notice right away, we have a wall wart. We have a phone cable? No, that's Ethernet. But it's only, I guess this is wired like a Cat 3. Doesn't have all the pins in it. Probably won't work for auto negotiation. Here's another one. Same problem. I wonder if one of them's, hold on. Black, yellow, red, and green. That's a phone cable. See, on the other end is... Oh, so this is a reverse cable. This is not. Okay, so let's take out this cardboard. Lift it up. And there we go. There's the serial cable. That's got a waxy feel to it. The Asantetalk adapter. And, oh boy, a European plug. That is not going to work in this country. Nope. No siree, Bob. Interesting how we have a European plug. Alright, let's move that off to the side. That's a pretty stout cable. It's not cheap. All that packaging for this little tiny box. But it's brand new, minty. Fresh. No melted rubber yet. 12 volts AC. So on this side we have the serial and power. Top we have our LEDs. A little bit of a mark there. Nothing special. and Ethernet. So the trouble is, that kills me because that is not gonna plug into that. Well, I suppose that's it for this video. It's just a short little interlude, nothing crazy. Let's see, 230 volts, 50 hertz. Yep, European. Anyways, I will make a video in the future of hooking all this up and doing what I want to do with it. But anyways, that's been an unboxing of the Asantetalk. That's just a little unboxing, nothing crazy. So if you like this video, thank you for watching, and leave a comment if you wish to do so. And until next time, guys.